In today's video, I'm going to teach you TradingView tutorial, how to use bar replay for Forex backtesting. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean replay session, control the playback, and test your strategy without risking real money. First, open your chart and pick the Forex pair you want to study, along with the time frame that matches your strategy. If you trade intraday, something like the 5-minute or 15-minute chart works well. For swing trading, try the 4-hour or daily. Add the exact indicators you would use in real time so your test mirrors your live process. It's important that what you see during replay is what you'd see while trading. Next, access bar replay from the top toolbar. Click the replay icon, then choose your starting point in the past. You can click a specific candle or drag the time slider to a date you want to begin from. The chart will cut off the future candles, so you only see price up to that moment, just like trading live, without knowing what happens next. Get comfortable with the controls. Use play to let candles print automatically, pause to stop, and the step buttons to move forward one bar at a time. Adjust the speed so it's fast enough to keep momentum, but slow enough to think clearly. Many traders start at 1x or 2x and speed up once they're in a groove. Remember that the time frame you're on affects how fast market structure develops, so adapt your speed accordingly. As price unfolds, simulate your trades realistically. Use the long position or short position tool to mark your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. Drag the handles to set your risk to reward and confirm the pip distances. If you need to measure quickly, use the ruler tool to check the move size. Keep your decision-making disciplined. Only act on information visible at that candle and don't scroll ahead to peek. If you rely on indicators, make sure they're configured as you would in live trading. Be mindful that some indicators can behave differently on historical data, so aim for non-repainting tools and parameters you'd actually use. As you test, jot down notes about why you took a trade, where it succeeded or failed, and any patterns you notice. Consistent journaling helps you refine rules and avoid hindsight bias. When you're done, click Exit Replay to return to the live edge of the chart. Repeat the process across different dates and market conditions to build a meaningful sample size. With steady practice, bar replay becomes a powerful way to pressure test your Forex strategy and build confidence before placing real trades.